Hello and welcome to this mini-series in the series Programming for the Web. This mini-series is about installing a Linux system on a virtual machine. This is so that you can do prototyping, you can actually do your full programming, you can test things out and this type of thing. And that's what I tend to use them for. Now all the software that I use on the virtual machine on Linux is exactly the same software as I use on my Windows system, and it's the same software you can use on a Mac. It doesn't matter. This is usually free software. It's available for all the different operating systems, and it's easy to download and install. This little series will show you how to create a virtual machine, how to install a Linux system, how to set up the Linux system, how to download and install the various programs that you need, and set up those programs for programming. I hope you enjoy this little mini-series. Thank you for watching. My name's John, and I'll see you next time.